In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's Gallery View. This is a fantastic feature that helps organize and visualize your databases in a more aesthetically pleasing way. Whether you're managing projects, storing creative inspiration, or keeping track of a personal collection, the Gallery View can make everything much more visually appealing and easy to navigate. Let's start by opening up Notion. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you're already set up, go ahead and log in. Once you're inside, navigate to the workspace where you want to set up your gallery. You can either create a new database for this purpose or select an existing one. Opening a database in Notion is straightforward. Just make sure it's the right one for your needs. Now, with your database open, look at the top left corner. You'll see an option labeled Add a View. Click on that and a menu will appear, showcasing different ways you can display your data. Among the various options, you'll find Gallery View. Select this option. This is where the magic happens, where your data can transform into a collection of intuitive, easy-to-digest visual cards. Once you've selected the Gallery View, it's time to give it a name. Enter a name that makes sense for what you're trying to present. This could be as simple as Project Gallery or something more descriptive. Naming your views helps keep things organized, especially if you use multiple views for the same database. After you've named it, simply click Create. With just a few clicks, your gallery view has come to life, transforming your raw data into a visual set of cards. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize these cards to better suit your needs and preferences. Maybe you want certain data fields to stand out more prominently, or you wish to display images directly on the cards. Personalize the display options until the gallery speaks your language and feels just right. When you click on any card in the gallery, it will open up into a full page. This expanded view is incredibly useful for adding more detailed information about each item. Inside, you'll find a wealth of options, adding text, to-do lists, even subpages if the card belongs to a larger project or category. Plus, you can insert images to make your notes more engaging. So there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed a basic database into a visually engaging gallery view, perfect for showcasing your work or tracking any collection you're passionate about. Now it's your turn to dive in and start organizing your data in a vibrant, intuitive way. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities that Notion offers with its gallery view.